You can find free fonts just about anywhere around the web, but if you want your text to look its best, you gotta go premium. The quality makes all the difference. We're going to be taking a look at 5 premium fonts for Cricut that you can download from Envato Elements. With an Envato Elements subscription, you'll get access to not only the best fonts, but stationery templates and much more for just one low monthly fee. You can check out the description to find links to all of the fonts featured here today. Now let's dive right in. The name of this font couldn't be more true. The cute Kraft font features a paper cutout style that looks handmade. It also supports multiple languages. It's cute and it's cursive. Palace is a calligraphy font that's really versatile. You can use it for scrapbooks, party invitations, and a whole lot more. Here's a nutty little font that'll add some flavor to your projects. Wild Hazelnut has a funky and unconventional set of letters. It also has numbers, symbols, and support for multiple languages. Get a fun South London vibe with Brixton Line. It's a simple font that looks like neat handwriting. There's room to get creative thanks to its over 80 alternative letters. This all-caps font can fit just about anywhere. Are you putting together a children's party invitation or fun memory book? You'll want a fun font like this one. Hinsa Cute has a lot of personality. Try using these fun letters in branding, book covers, or posters. Now let's get into our free Cricut fonts, straight from Envato. Astrud Miller is the first on our list. This cursive font features bold lettering. It comes with upper and lowercase letters. There are just some numbers thrown in too. Script fonts just work the best when they look like handwriting. Bolder script is able to nail that style with ease, thanks to each letter having a little character to it. Give it a try if you like those simple handwritten script fonts. Diettersen is a calligraphy font with a bit of an edge. This free font has bold strokes and flowing swirls. There's something classic to it, yet modern too. You'll also enjoy the set of numbers that come with this download. If your handwriting is as bad as mine, you'll appreciate Oskosh. The letters are thin and neat, but there's still a lot of charm hidden in those strokes. This font features a full set of upper and lowercase letters for you to use. Let's face it, bubble letters will never go out of style. This font is a nice digital recreation of that type of lettering. It does a great job of making each letter have a unique look. And if your font has a distinct style, then so will your Cricut projects. New fonts can give a fresh, creative boost to your latest work. I hope you found something in this video you'd like to try. Our recommendation is always to try premium fonts from Envato Elements, but I know free fonts can give you inspiration too. That's why you can find links to all of the featured fonts here in the description.